Hello! Welcome to Unicorn Fun. There is little Pup. He's so happy. And he can look at that. And he can go over there and look. So cool. It's tied. Wait, I had to go over here. It's tied up right there. Right there. And then it goes all the way to over there. Dog's all. He's the only one attached. He's free. That's my friend. And get back here. Get back here. Hey. Look, it's so cool. Oh. How does he have that? How does he have that?
I don't know.
Hey, Kate! Come say hi to YouTube. Hey! Come say hi to YouTube. Oh my god. I'm going back. I'll give you a kissy. And
A little crazy.
Mwah. Mwah. There. I don't know what the neighbors are doing, but there's noise. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, I got your bar. No.
Oh, his little ears are kind of broken.
It's not broken.
I just call it broken.
Gosh. I don't know how he did that.
A little crazy.
I think this little guy is a little. This is cool. He pees sometimes. This is where he pees sometimes. And you. Hey, you. Leo.
Got you.
Okay.
You know a little good.
That's just my mom. She wanted me. Get. Okay. We're to go to party. So.
Well, I'm not.
Yeah, because she is just going to go home.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Okay. It's probably a birthday. Maybe. It might be a birthday. Yes. Anyway. I'm just going to end the video here. Thank you so much. And now, peace.